Hi there! I have another game. My favorite toy is stuck in the box. We need to get it out. I'll say the word. If you can guess the beginning sound, we can unlock the box. Bat. What sound does the word bat start with? B. It's b, bat. Let's play ball. This is a pan. Tap the pan.
Pan.
Nice work. Pan. Makes pan. Look next to the pan. There's a ham. Tap the ham.
Ham.
Super! Ham. Makes ham. Put the ham on the pan.
Ham.
You put the ham on the pan. This is a cat. Tap the cat.
Cat.
Nice work. Cat. Makes cat. Look next to the cat. There's a hat. Tap the hat.
Hat.
Super! Hat. Makes hat. Put the hat on the cat.
Hat.
You put the hat on the cat. This is a sled. Tap the sled.
Sled.
Nice work. Sled. Makes sled. Look next to the sled. There's a yak. Tap the yak.
Yak.
Super! Yak. Makes yak. Put the yak on the sled.
Yak.
You put the yak on the sled. This is a desk. Tap the desk.
Desk.
Nice work. Desk. Makes desk. Look next to the desk. There's a fan. Tap the fan.
Fan.
Super! Fan. Makes fan. Put the fan on the desk.
Fan.
You put the fan on the desk. This is a log. Tap the log.
Log.
Nice work. Log. Makes log. Look next to the log. There's a fox. Tap the fox.
Fox.
Super! makes fox. Put the fox on the log.
Fox.
You put the fox on the log. There is a cup by the mat. Tap them.
Cup. Mat.
Nice work. You tap the cup and the mat. Put the cup on the mat.
Cup.
You put the cup on the mat.